Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership, wanting to let you know a little bit more about our newest arrival, this stunning looking Jaguar F-Pace large SUV. This particular example is the F-Pace R Sport all-wheel drive model, powered here by the more powerful 2-litre i4 diesel engine with a whopping 240 PS worth of power. Finished in the optional Caesium blue metallic colour, key equipment highlights will include automatic headlights and rain-sensitive wipers, finished off here with the stylish signature daytime running lights that are LED. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Thanks to the optionally upgraded black pack, you can enjoy these gloss black alloy wheels that are 20-inch in design, and there's even an optionally upgraded sliding panoramic roof which will let in plenty of natural light as well as air inside the cabin. Round the side, heated power folding wing mirrors will be on offer, as well as privacy tinted windows for the passengers in the back to enjoy. Those same passengers will enjoy plenty of legroom and headroom, with the upholstery being finished in the ebony black leather with contrasting light oyster piping and stitching. There's also a center armrest with cup holders on offer and even 2 ISOFIX child anchor points. Moving towards the rear, full LED tail light technology will be available, with even twin exhaust pipes uplifting the sports experience. When your hands are full of boxes or shopping, there is even a power opening and closing tailgate, adding to the convenience. Revealing a very large boot area, you can always fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split seat, and there is even 12-volt connectors for cooling boxes as well as shopping hooks. Closing the boot simply requires a press of a button. A quick glimpse in the front cabin is no different, revealing a premium cabin offering a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, large 10-inch touchscreen, as well as front seats will be very comfortable, offering additional side lumbar support too. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this F-Pace, you will see for yourself just how nice the interior is. Lots of soft touch materials with stitched dashboard will add to the premium luxurious effect, with the driver control pianos being easy to reach, operating the wing mirrors and electric windows. The multifunction steering wheel can operate cruise control and speed limiter from the right side, with the left side operating Bluetooth, volume, as well as the color TFT trip computer. Offering crisp graphics, it offers a digital speedometer to complement the analog dials, with bespoke driving modes such as rain, ice, snow, prioritizing grip, economy giving you additional efficiency and prioritizing economy, as well as a more dynamic mode giving you a bit more of a spirited, sportier drive. Traffic sign recognition is also available to identify speed limits to make sure you don't get any nasty speeding tickets, with various safety systems on offer such as city emergency braking and lane keep assist too. Moving over to the center console, the large 10-inch Touch Pro system will have all your entertainment needs covered too. The built-in satellite navigation offers crisp graphics and even unlocks both 2D and 3D views, whichever you prefer. Full Bluetooth connectivity is available to stay in touch with your family and friends, and for all your music, you'll be happy to know there is AM, FM and the DAB digital radio reception. This model even features heated front seat technology with a 3-stage setting for the front passenger and driver. Other great features will also give you access to both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone connectivity, with even a built-in web browser allowing you to search in the net. Additionally, the ASI system for the vehicle will give you all the key information to know about your all-wheel drive system too, and letting you know where the power and torque is being distributed amongst the 4 wheels. To help with parking, rear view parking camera with guidelines is available, and that camera even offers a wide angle view. Fully complemented by audible and visual front and rear parking sensors, it's a great addition to have. Moving down the cabin, physical controls will operate the 2-zone climate control system that is easy to use here. Moving further down, the rotary dial will operate your gear lever, and there's also plenty of storage for your cup holders, with a large center armrest with built-in USB connectors to keep your device's battery topped up at all times. The electrically operated pan roof and sunshade blind are really easy to operate here too. You can fully retract the sunshade, revealing natural light, and the roof itself opens in 2 different functions. A slightly tilt function, letting in a little bit of light, or a full sliding retracted option to let in plenty of that natural light and air inside the cabin. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace R Sport all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.